Hey, what's going on, guys? We are going to be installing a smart Wi-Fi doorbell. This one is not a Ring. Ring is kind of the most popular one right now. This one is actually really good, but I really like this one. Kind of a stainless steel, got the camera on there. Let me go ahead and show you real quickly. I'll go ahead and link this one down below in the description box below the video for you guys can read more about it, see if this one fits your tastes. I'll also link Ring as well. Ring is a little bit more, I guess, thinner. You know, some of these cameras are getting so much smaller these days. This one has night vision, all that fun stuff goes off the app. Anyway, I had this installed at my last place and I took it off and I haven't installed it at my new place yet. So I'm just gonna show you guys how easy it is to install a smart Wi-Fi doorbell. The old doorbell, it depends on which kind of one you have, but let me show you the one I got and it pops out very easily. So this is the type of doorbell that I have here, and what you do is very simple. Just right behind the stucco, it just literally pops right out. There's no screws or anything holding it in place, just pops out, and it's gonna look like this behind here, like that. You have your illumination light there for the doorbell that illuminates behind it with two wires, and those are Phillips. Again, one is blue, one is white, but it doesn't really matter. There's no negative or positive, and the other ones are running up to your door chime there. So you're gonna unscrew these little screws right here, and then you're gonna screw those in the back of the smart Wi-Fi doorbell. Now this is the back plate to this specific one here, and you would bring your wires below it here and then screw them into the back plate here. Only problem with stucco though is that you have a gap between the back of the base plate and the wall, so you have to get a little bit creative with it here. Let me show you what I'm particularly going to do. Obviously on wood it's flat, but when it is not wood and when it was bumpy like this and not flat, behind there is a big gap. Let me show you what I'm going to do. So behind it you will have to obviously drill holes into your stucco as well. Normal drill will work. I'm going to use these small back plates like this I found kicking around the garage, and what that's going to do is that's going to go behind this plate right here, and then that latches on like that, and so it takes away the gap behind it like that. You could even do two if needs be. Obviously I'll reposition these a little bit better, but you kind of get the idea now that it's flat against the stucco there. So this is what my back plate looks like here. We got the little things here behind it and here and here. And now we just obviously connect the white to the right, blue to the left, vice versa. It doesn't really matter. Very low voltage. There's no negative or positive, remember. And then we go ahead and slip on our Wi-Fi doorbell. And that's how you get it done right there. Just make sure the back plate is flat so it latches on really nicely. Now go upstairs and set up your app so it connects to the Wi-Fi, and you're all ready to go. Hope the video has helped. Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe button so you're always up to date with what I am installing or reviewing next. We'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.